and Anti-Corruption Commission?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Do you have a certificate of good conduct from DCI?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Have you ever been charged in a court of law or convicted for any criminal offense?
No, Mr. Chairman.
Are you a dual citizen of Kenya and any other jurisdiction?
No, Mr. Chairman.
You carry only one passport?
I carry only one passport.
Very good. As a matter of interest for the committee and the country, what is your net worth?
I've registered my net worth as roughly about 950 million.
950 million. Kenya shillings or dollars?
Kenya shillings. Currently I'm earning in dollars, but everything is translated in Kenya shillings. 950,000.
950
million.
Kenya shillings. What are your current and anticipated sources of income?
Currently, I'm salaried at the African Economic Research Consortium, but I think that my anticipated earnings would be graduated coming once my contract comes to an end. Unfortunately, if I'm approved by this committee, then it means that I'll have to leave my job. The second one, that is gratuity. The other one will be maturing in financial investments through different sources, diverse sources. Those are the anticipated incomes coming to me.
Okay. I'll now open the floor to honorable members to ask you questions. I'll start with the... Oh, sorry. I'm jumping the gun, Professor.
Thank you.
Tell us the journey of your life in under 10 minutes.
Thank you. That's what I was anticipating. I hope I'll take 10 minutes or less. And let me say that I'm a Kenyan, and I come from Kandara constituency in Murang'a. Actually, in Murang'a, we actually talk about location. I come from location 3 in Murang'a. And I went to school in one of the primary schools, Kuria Primary School, and I finished in 1973, joined Form 1. I was admitted to Form 1. Those are the days that